Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to configure your document management settings within CRM 2013. I'm going to be using my demo web environment to show you how to do this. Of course, the assumption is that you have the security permissions to enable you to do so. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to navigate over to the settings area of CRM, and from within the settings area, I'm just going to go ahead and go over to document management. Now, the great thing about this document management settings is CRM actually uses a wizard to help you to set this up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on document management settings. And as you go through the wizard, the first thing the wizard will do is it will ask you which entities would you like to be enabled for document management. So in other words, configuring this, you're configuring all the entities at the same time that you wish for document management to take place. And by default, you're going to get the bog standard entities already ticked, things like accounts, cases, contacts, orders, opportunity, leads. For this video, I'm not going to tick anymore, so I'm going to leave the standard ones that are already ticked. You could also well, by default, what the system would also do is set up automatic folder creation settings as well. So what that means is folders will automatically be created on the SharePoint. Now this is if the SharePoint site is valid for server-based SharePoint integration. And what you'll see here in my for the URL, it'll be the URL of the CRM system .sharepoint.com. Now regarding the SharePoint integration, a valid site is SharePoint online site that exists in the same Office 365 as your Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And what the system is just doing there is confirming the SharePoint URL is valid, and also you'll notice here you can also set up file structure as well. And when I mean file structure, what it basically does is it creates a folder structure based on a specific entity. Now, when I say specific entity, it's really only one of two entities. It's either accounts or contacts, and think of them as a base entity. So in other words, if I had an account, and sitting underneath the account I had contacts and there was document management set up for them, then what the system would go ahead and do is it would set up it would have a folder structure of accounts with document management, and then sitting underneath the accounts will have contacts with the document management as well. And I'll just show you that. So based on entity, I've got that ticked, and I can choose between the different two. So there's an example. If I was to select contact, it now says here for entities related to a specific contact, create folders underneath the contacts folder, and it will do exactly the same thing for accounts. So I'm going to leave it on accounts ticked. So I'm going to set up that folder structure and click next. And what the system's going to go ahead and do now is it's just going to go ahead and create the document libraries for us and the paths. It takes several minutes to do. Once I click OK, what the system will just simply do is give me a list of all of the entities and the successes. Remember, the entities are based on the ones we selected at the beginning of the wizard. So it's just going to go away now and create those document libraries within the SharePoint URL that was stipulated within the wizard. So it's really straightforward to do. It's literally just a few clicks. Once I clicked OK, all I'll do is go ahead and click finish on the wizard, and that will be set up. So what I just did there was show you how to set up your document management settings within CRM 2013. Thank you.